Hey guys, it's Danish from Local Niche Marketing. And in this video, we are going to cover three important aspects of high-level automations that are very critical for any service-based business. First one is appointment confirmation plus reminders, and then uh, second one is um, more important than the first one because it is the recovery of the warm lead um, to our actions that we are going to set up in our workflow. And third one is almost similar to no-shows, but we will use some verbiage like you have canceled your appointment. You can again um, book a meeting, and then we can give a booking link inside our actions. The impact of this thing is huge. If you write stats on no-show and cancellation recovery report, you're going to see that annually, only in one sector of US, um, the missed opportunities uh, can cost up to $150 billion annually. And if you implement these strategies, you are going to recover 40 to 50% of the missed revenue. That is almost $75 billion. Or, if your lost revenue is $200, then if you implement these strategies, you're going to recover almost 40 to 50% of the lost revenue. So in this video, we are going to do a live demo of all these things mentioned in under the example. First, we will set up a calendar. Then we are going to set up workflows for appointment confirmations, reminders, and then we are going to add a task for staff member to update the appointment status. And then that will set the stage for our next workflow, that is the no-shows, right? And also, if they cancel the appointment, uh, we can also create different actions for particular appointment statuses. So let's just get started and recover your business more dollars, right? So first thing, we need to create a calendar that is pretty much simple. I mean, you just have to click on new calendar, round robin. Um, we are doing it for any service-based business, so we can write service in brackets. We can call it um, maybe car wash, right? Um, that's it. And select the team member, vanish, right? So once our calendar is made, we can do different um, calendar types as well for services, for personal calendar. But let's just stick to round robin because this will this is just an example. You can make it customized to your own needs, or you can just contact us for the setup. All right. So once you have created the calendar, what you need is the appointment confirmation and reminder recipe, and that is you can select from your templates. It's nothing you have to do, eh, just changing the values for your own business. So once you imported the template inside your workflows, there are a couple of things that you need to do because in the trigger, there is no mention of your calendar name. First thing you need to do is to add your calendar. What is your calendar name? And it's our car wash. Second thing, you need to assign a member. So assign to user, which is this person, and then you need to send them an internal notification to so that they can be reminded that appointment is scheduled with them, right? Appointment is scheduled with the, you can give a contact name here, full name, right? And here are more details, right? And you can give them their email address, their phone number, and if you have used any custom fields, like what are your pain points, something like that. And user is the assigned user, save action. That is almost done um, for notifying your team member, right? Now, the second part is to edit your meeting location. And if you're doing a physical meeting, then you need to give them a location of Google Maps or something like that. If you're doing a virtual meeting, then you need to update your Zoom meeting link, and that will be really great if you can do it through custom values once you build it. Um, you just don't need to edit this thing in all the workflows. You just call the custom value inside your workflow, and that will be done. Now, once you save the action, there are different reminders which you can enhance or decrease according to your needs. But I will let you know that how this thing is made, right? So once you click on this plus button, you can add a wait step and wait for, click on this thing, and then event time, and here the same user interface will appear. Save action, save the number of days before or number of hours before you want to send the notifications, and that will be done. Right. Again, you need to change all the verbiage according to your meeting locations and your business details. Once you have edited all these things, what I will recommend is adding another wait time for event appointment time. And after 1 hour or after 10 minutes of meeting, right, you will create a task for your team member to update, please update the appointment status for the contact first name, right? And you can type in again this thing and assigns to the same team member who is handling the call of this person. And it is due now, right? So what is happening after the meeting is after 10 me 10 minutes, the meeting 10 minutes, it will add a task for the particular team member who is assigned for this meeting to update the appointment status. So if the lead is no-showed, we can then send them to another workflow in which we can nurture them, right? There is one thing you need to do is once they book an appointment, you need to update their pipeline stage. And the way to do is find that opportunity in pipeline is test. And once you do that, it will be save action. And you need to um, update the pipeline stage here. Update opportunity. Add a field here. Pipeline test. Add a field here. Stage is from new lead to appointment book. And that's it, right? So once that is done, you are good to go for your appointment confirmations and reminders. Now, we need to create a workflow for no-shows. So we create a workflow and we need to start it from scratch because this will be a custom workflow. We can name it no-show, and the trigger will be appointment status is no-show, right? And the appointment status is no-show in calendar car wash. That we need first we need to add a tag, add a contact tag, no-show, okay? And again, we need to update it. Um, Update the pipeline stage from appointment booked to no-show or canceled, right? Update opportunity and add a field, pipeline test, pipeline stage is no-showed, right? And then we need to add a task again for our internal team for follow-up, right? Follow-up with contact first name, right? And ASAP. So, and this is assigned to the same person that was responsible for the appointment, right? So once the task is done, we will then start sending them email and SMS. And for that, you can go on ChatGPT and type in a simple response like, I want you to be an expert in writing um, meeting no-shows, cancellations, email, and SMS for any business. Um, for you, it will be your own business. For example, it's a car wash business, so you will write for car wash business. So it will give you a lot of text and SMSs that you can start including inside your actions. So we will send them an SMS here, and it's good if you can reply book, add inside your workflow. So if they reply book, so you can stop it, stop them uh, from further sending the emails. We also need to update the settings, stop on response. So this will be stop if they reply book. So a lot can be done afterwards as well. Like you can, for no shows here, like you can add wait step and add all these email and SMS sequences to re-engage with your warm leads, and it will increase your chances of converting that lead from 40 to 50%, right? Now, the same scenario could be built for cancellation, right? So if I go into automation for no shows, I will just duplicate it, create. Okay, so if you click on no show, that copy that you made, you just need to change the trigger from no show to cancel. That's it. And obviously, we need to add a tag here, canceled. And again, it will be the same thing from appointment book to update opportunity, from appointment book to no showed or canceled. And SMS will be definitely changed this time because it's for the cancellation. So you can customize it according to the canceled event. So this is how you are going to set up the strategies for no-shows, reminders for your team members, so that you can generate more revenue through these workflows and with the power of automations. One last tip I will give you is to add a no-show policy inside your business. For example, on the calendar, you will have to add a payment. So accept payments once you click on it because I have not integrated a payment method. So you can create a product of maybe $25, and if the lead is no showed, you after one day you are going to send responses that, hey, if you don't show up, uh, your $25 will be deducted, right? So this will add another layer of making the lead show up for the appointment. I really hope that you guys like this video. Keep supporting us, and if you are looking for advertising services, go high level automation services, just let us know. Everything is mentioned in our description section. Thank you.